That's right, I got another empties for you, my dears. And this category, well, for today, is gonna be mascaras. Now, this time it's not gonna be 5, it's gonna be 6. Now, what 6 different mascaras did I actually go through? Did I like them? Would it be a repurchase? How do they actually perform? What is my opinion? Would I recommend it to you? Because there's so many mascaras, sometimes you just don't know who would be for good, and I don't know about you, but mascaras and makeup is expensive, especially now with, well, no one seems to be working. It's expensive. So, if you're ready to find out what kind of mascaras I actually emptied the last couple of months, then my dears, keep watching. That's right, keep watching. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dears. Thank you so much for pushing the little play button. I really, really appreciate it. Now, today I will be going into my 6 empty mascaras I actually went through the last couple of months. But before we begin, I just want to remind you, please consider subscribing and remember to push that little notification bell, because it will let you know when my videos are up and loaded, my dears. And remember to follow me on all my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even Snapchat. And it all has the exact same handle at Enidbluesinger, as well as my IMDb page, Enidbluesinger. So, for no further ado, let's go straight into what exactly did I go through in the last couple of months. And welcome back. Now today, as I stated, I will be going through my empties today. Now my angle is a little bit different, as you can tell, because, well, I'm on the porch. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a Monday, just in case you're curious to know what day this was. And it's sunny and bright, and so where the sun was, yeah, I was going to be full of shine and you wouldn't be able to see anything, any of the products, so I kind of had to shift a little bit to where there was some shade, my dears, some shade. So I'll go ahead and hush, and let's go straight into the products that are literally in this cute little Ziploc bag sandwich slash, the way I call it, manage Ziploc bags. Alright, my dears, the first mascara I'll be talking to you about is from Marc Jacobs, one of my favorite high-end brands, Marc Jacobs. I'm a big fan of their eye stuff. It's just fantastic, my dears. And this is the Prime Velvet Primer. This is the Marc Jacobs eyelash primer. Now this, it's a big wand, I ain't gonna lie, and it has like that nude, as you can tell, it's like expired, that nude color. And you put it on your eye. Now remember, you have to use the lash primers very lightly, don't like goop them on. The regular mascara is not gonna work and your lashes start getting really, really hard, and no, it's just not a good situation. I do want to experiment with other primers, but this one's the one that I've tried twice before, I believe. And I really do like it, but you have to put very, very little. The only thing though, I just feel like it's just a regular primer. I don't feel that it helps like once I put the mascara. It could be the combination of mascaras that I use. It doesn't like lift them or anything. It just makes the other mascara look more black. It's hard to use it at the bottom lashes because, well, they're so big. You can't. So this is only will be good for your upper lashes. Like I said, this is good. It's not bad, but it's not absolutely fantastic. That's blowing my mind. Will this be a repurchase? No, my dears. Who do I think this would be good for? I basically think are the people that have, I call them the lucky people. Lucky, my dears. That have those lashes that naturally curl up. Mine aren't it, my dears. Mine is not it. But the people that have the natural lashes that don't really need to like curl their lashes, or maybe one little boop, if that's it, and you're like, magic lashes, really. This will help. But if you're like me that have to curling your lashes, this will, I think because it's a heavier formula, it will drop your lashes more. The next mascara I went through is the It Cosmetic Lash Blowout. And it looks like a little like comb. I think they did a collaboration with Blowout. Yeah, I think Blowout Cosmetics or something like that. I did do a whole video, a review about this mascara, this video right over here. And I go more detail and application, my thought, how it actually looks like and feels once you first open it up. I'll be down in the description below just in case you haven't seen it. It's okay. It's not the best mascara in the world. It's okay. I felt like it's just a natural, average mascara. The fact that this doesn't, you can't, it falls easily. not a good situation. You have to put it like this, but then you gotta make sure none of the product comes out and make a huge mess. Oh, I know, it's just, my dears. This, it has a decent wand, but once again, kind of like the Marc Jacobs, you're gonna have a little difficult time putting it on your bottom lashes. You're gonna have to put like, sometimes I put like a little piece of toilet paper or paper towel, that way it goes on it, or you could just wait a few minutes and then just get it away from your, with a Q-tip, but then some of the makeup may come off. It's a whole ordeal. So, would this be a repurchase? No, my dears. No, I don't think this did anything to my lashes except make them more black. Yeah, I did get this with a dual. I'm still using that dual, believe it or not, because I don't always use it. I forget that it's there, so I literally have it in my bathroom up in front to remind myself to actually use it. I know it may be expired now, but I used the other dual on my bottom lashes. All the information and my thoughts are in that video, and they'll be down in the description below. But do I think this would be good for anybody? I personally don't think so. It's just a tint of black. The next mascara I went through, number 3, my dear, so we're halfway done. I know, I'm feeling this video is going to be kind of short. It's the MAC Extended Play Permeable Lash. Now let's just talk about the packaging. My favorite color, in case you do not know, is blue. I absolutely love the color blue, especially those darker blues or oceany blue that's like in between that light and blue. Oh, fantastic. And this kind of has that resemblance of the ocean and the waves. I do. The wand, as you can tell, it's all like gone. It's a lot more skinnier than the other two. And it has that lift that's supposed to help perm up the lashes. Now, the wand itself, I absolutely love. I really do. And I do feel like this formula does help actually extend the lashes. But for me, because my lashes, they have issues, my dears. I have to keep curling and curling and curling and curling and curling and curling to get it down. But then halfway, my curls are gone. So this does help. It doesn't help all day unless I reapply. But would this be a repurchase? I will say no. Even though I adore the packaging, this is a better option than these two, to be honest with you. Only because it does help to extend the wear of my very sad curl lashes. It just doesn't stay all day, and I really don't have the time to re-curl. There are better products that will help, my dears. This, unfortunately, does not. And who do I think this is good for? I think it would help you if you have challenging lashes. It's just the matter of wear, if it's half day or the whole day. If you have this particular mascara, let me know how it actually works for you down in the description below. The 4th mascara I went through is the Caution Extreme Lash Mascara on a boxycharm, I believe. It's Hourglass. That little triangle luxe situation of gold to see through the mirror. You can't see much of anything but the mirror reflection type of thing. It reminds you of the triangle beautiful foundation that they have that I absolutely love. It's just the packaging of that foundation I don't love. But this I absolutely love. I've used this in a while. Okay, you know what? This is so dry, I can't even show you the wand. My apology. I have to give it kind of a sad review, to be honest with you, because it did the exact same thing as the IT Cosmetics. It got it black. It may help my lashes just a little bit, just a little bit. But is this a repurchase? Would I recommend this for anybody? I personally don't think so. Because it's a very, 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 very dry formula. If you're into dry formulas, this may work for you. I prefer something a little bit like in between. Not too dry, not too wet. This just seems a little bit too dry. It's a little bit too dry for me. But would I actually purchase it with my own money? As much as I love Hourglass. The next product I went through, and gone through on mascara, to be honest with you. And I got this, of course, in a boxycharm. It's the Pretty Vulgar mascara and Faux Reels, yes. I got this not too long ago. I've gone through it. It is kind of that in between that, like the wet and the dry formula. The wand, my dears, it's kind of thick. So same issue as the other ones. The bottom lashes is going to be an issue. So I like rarely use it for the bottom lashes, even though the last bit of it I like squeezed it out today. And yeah, as you can tell, this is the result from this morning. I love the packaging. I love the birds. I like the it's absolutely beautiful. It's eye-catching. It's lovely, my dears. It's absolutely lovely. But what did it do? It made it black. My lashes kind of fall down, as you can tell. My dears, I have hazel eyes. Not a lot of people have hazel eyes. They have blue, they have green, they have brown, gray. Not a lot of hazel. But the fact that this doesn't even let you see my hazel eyes too well, it's like, it just turns it black. So what I repurchase this even though I got this in a boxycharm? Is it actual repurchase? No. I know what you're thinking. Girl, your review is negative. I mean negative. You'd be right. But, of course, I saved the best for last. The last and final product that I went through. Actually, you know what? If you've been on my channel for a while and you've seen a couple of my videos, what mascara is my favorite? I'll be nice. I'll give you 5 seconds. I'll look at my horrible nails. Did you guess? It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And this is the Super Black. I love this mascara. I love how this applied. I mean, it dries quickly. I don't have to do a lot of application. I really don't. Now, It Cosmetics has a lot of mascaras, as I indicated from the Blowout. Don't mind. This I absolutely love is Lengthening with my challenging, how do you call it? Challenge lashes, I believe. This actually keeps my lashes up really, really well. It's a more of a drier formula consistency. Absolutely love it. It's nice, simple, sleek. I can put it up. It's not falling all over the place. I like this contraption. Yeah, exactly. I absolutely love this. My only negative that I have, I don't know if they changed packaging, but it's starting to get messy, like the Too Faced mascara. See how it starts to get gunky? I don't understand the situation. But out of all these, I would definitely repurchase the It Cosmetics mascara, and it is one of my top 5 mascaras. Now, if you're interested in seeing what my favorite top 5 mascaras are, let me know, comment below, and I'll put it into a video. And that, my dears, is all the mascaras I've gone through the last couple of months. And you know, warranties will be coming up soon. So let me know if you have used any of this mascaras. Have they worked out for you? What is your opinion? Do you agree, disagree, and why? I'm kind of curious. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming into my empties videos of mascaras. What I've been starting the past couple of months is do my empties, but not only one shot, and plus the video will take absolutely forever. Do it in pieces and in categories, because I thought that would be helpful for you to be like, okay, you know what, I'm interested in mascaras, put it there. Powders, I do have those. I have done other empty videos for categories. I put it down in the description below, and they're also in my playlist, just in case you're curious. So no further ado, I really appreciate you being here. I miss you so much. I hope you're safe, especially with this whole COVID-19 situation. And if you went back to work, please be careful. Wear a mask, sanitizer. I care about you. Please be safe. For no further ado, one last thing right before you leave. Be safe, be kind, be careful. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you on my next video. See you soon.